That time of the year. Yes, a time to pause. A time to look back at the gears we've turned and the milestones we have hit. But before we look forward, we look at each other. Because Suntech isn't just a name on a building, it's the fire that keeps us warm. We wear our pride on our sleeves, carrying the spirit of Indian engineering to global platforms starts with the grit we show right here on our soil. 90 minutes across the water, a boat ride heading towards the foothills of Vyagrahgad, a place where history meets the wild.
हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने.
They call it Vyagrahgad, Tiger's Fort. To reach the top, you don't just need strength, you need a story to follow. The history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj echoed in every step. We aren't all athletes. We are engineers, we are managers, and we are dreamers. But as the slope got steeper, the team spirit got stronger, and no one was left behind.
गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने भी तेज हैं, अब क्या करें. ओ वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है, अब क्या करें. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बड़ा बड़ा. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बड़ा बड़ा.
From the top, the perspective changes. You see how far you have come. An absolutely out-of-body experience where the effort of the climb vanishes into the immensity of achievement. Going up is a choice, but coming down is a necessity. Every step down was a reflection on the resilience we discovered in ourselves. Only a team like Suntech can share a journey like this, basking in the glory of the climb, ready for the next peak. Because at Suntech, we don't just make brooches, we don't just make machines, we build memories. Because we are Suntech.
संध्याकाळ झाली, मस्त थंड हवा सुटली.
As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the world in gold, we realized we were literally and metaphorically all in the same boat.